Alright, just a quick video on how to resolve the issue with the cigarette lighter door being in the closed position. As you can tell, it looks like the cigarette lighter was primed, the lid was closed, and then the cigarette lighter ejected. So you can see that the cigarette lighter itself is preventing the lid from being opened. So if you want to get this resolved, stay tuned. Alright, to fix the lighter lid being stuck issue, all I used was a little pick and some painter's tape to prevent any scratches. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is just cover the area I'm going to work with a little bit of painter's tape to prevent any further scratches. And then what I'm going to do is just use a pick to push the lighter in just a bit. Hopefully that's enough to get the panel unlocked. And there you go, you're all set. Thanks for watching. Yep, and as a final resolution, I just got this USB adapter or charger off of Amazon, and it's large enough where it prevents the lid from closing in the future, so it won't get stuck closed again. Alright, if you liked what you see, click like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.